So everyone, let's start our this video. In this video, we create our next program, and this program is there are three given number, and we have to find out which number is the largest number. So firstly, what we will do? We will do first. We will take three numbers from each. So simply write first dash number is equal to float input and the first number. Second dash number is equal to enter the second number. Now let's third number. Third dash dot input enter the third number. Now there are three numbers. Okay. Now we have to create a logic that which is greater number is greater than second dash number and first dash number is greater than third dash number. Then print, let's take a string, and first number is equal to first dash number is larger than second number and third number is equal to third dash number. And that's it. That's our logic. And let's make a second alif. Let's say second number if second number greater than first number and dash number second number is greater than third dash number, print second number is equal to second dash number is larger than first number is equal to first dash third number is equal to third dash number. Now that's are the two. There are two cases we already built. There are also one case Let's write that case. Elif, Elif, third dash number is greater than first dash number and third dash number is greater than second dash number and third number is equal to third dash number is larger than first number is equal and second number is equal to second dash print. There are there are some blue is similar. Okay, so that is our code. Now let's run this and see what's happening. Let's take first number is equal to 50. Now take 40 and 69. Third number is 59.0 is larger than first number 50 and second number 40. So this is our program. Now let's bye guys. We will do our next program in next video. Bye.